guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So today we are going to go into day 2 of my event planning setup. Normally my process is only 2 days, but because of the nature of this event, I was allowed to get started a little bit early. So you guys are going to see that process. So today we're going to load the U-Haul truck. I'm going to share with you guys my process for loading. For those of you guys who are interested in Luxe Academy, it is going to launch officially in June, the online version. Excuse me, and I will go into in-depth details with you guys on how I load, and I will also give you my loading sheet. But for the purposes of today's video, I'll just kind of take you guys through the process. And then we're going to load up the vehicle, then we're going to unload it in the space. So at the end of this video, you guys will see kind of the beginning stages of the event before we have it all put together. So that is all we're going to do in today's video. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but I promise you guys, like, this is so important. It is so imperative, you know, for you guys, like in terms of setting up for your events and things like that, setting your events up for success. So without any further ado, let's get started loading. Okay, you guys, so we are in the back of a U-Haul. We're getting ready to load it. Now, typically when I'm loading, I start with the items that I'm going to use last, like your larger items, like my throne chairs are going to go to the back. Also, what else is going to go to the back? The heavy glassware and all the heavy things will go to the back. Let me kind of, yeah. So all the heavy stuff will go back here, and then the flowers and everything are going to go up here, and then the items that we use first will go towards the front, like tablecloths and all that. So I utilize like all of these. You see this? Like, I'll hang tablecloths here. Like, this is good for hanging things. So anyway, we're going to load it from the front to the back. So we're going to give you guys some music for your listening pleasure, but we're going to get started.
Well, let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young. You got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep. Wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It's just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Ooh, I love when it feels right. Ooh, dancing really close. This is how it goes. Opposites attract. Guessing everybody knows. Fire on the floor. Sneaking out the door. We're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. I love when it feels nice. You're the apple of my eye. Love so strong, can't be wrong. All because of you. Cause I love it. Love when it feels right. Oh yeah. I love when it feels right.
hope you enjoyed today's video. And for the record, I did drive the U-Haul. So many people find that, I don't know, interesting. Like, you know, you think I'm very little. Like, I'm 5'4" on a good day. I think without heels, I'm probably closer to 5'2", but I like to claim 5'4". But it is kind of a spectacle to see me jump in and out of the U-Haul. But when you're in business, you learn to do things for yourself. And I decided to do a U-Haul because this was local, and it was a lot of benefits. Like, I used the U-Haul, of course, to transport the items. I left the U-Haul at the venue because the venue doesn't have a lot of storage space because they are going through a remodeling process. So a lot of their storage areas are filled with remodeling things. So I did, you know, want to have a space to store my boxes and things like that while the event was going on. So I just left the U-Haul there, and then we drove our personal vehicle back. So that is a tip for you guys as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, please, please get on the wait list for Luxe Academy if you haven't already. I think the last time I checked, I had way over 100 people to already sign up. The class seats will be limited because some of your classes you will be taking with me. They will be live, and then some of them are going to be on your own. So I want to make sure that I'm able to manage the class load as we go along through the 8-week process. So definitely sign up at melanieturner.design/events. And I will also leave that link here for you guys that are interested. If you have any questions about my loading and unloading process, leave it down in the comments below. But if not, I will see you guys at the next video for the final reveal. Yay! So I'll see you guys soon. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!